Here we're making some Rice Krispie treats in the shape of a train, and Ben and Elizabeth are decorating. And what color are you doing?
Green.
Very nice. What's the name of your train?
Thomas.
Thomas the train. Okay, you want to do some white?
Okay, wait for the Thomas.
Okay, here's white.
Okay, right.
So you can hold it and take more pictures like that. You could also say capture. And just take a picture.
Right.
You can say cheese.
Okay.
And take a picture.
Oh.
Capture.
Don't mess with that then.
Capture.
Capture?
Oh! This is so beautiful!
Yeah. Capture. It's not taking a picture. Okay. Okay, Ben, look up this time.
Look at one.
What? Did you get some on your thumb?
Yeah.
You can lick it.
Cheese.
Lick it. No, don't wipe it. Lick it. Like this. Yeah, that's it. Put it in your mouth.
No.
Okay, suck it off.
Cheese.
Cheese.
That's it. You can suck it.
Cheese.
It's icing.
Picture.
Picture.
Mmm.
Capture.
Is it good?
Good.
Oh,
Here.
finally took it.
Here's a napkin. Let's wipe your...
Green.
Show me the colors. What colors do you have?
Red and blue and red and blue.
Very good. Let's look at Junior's.
Uh-huh.
His is very nice too.
Oh, look it.
Here.
Hi, honey.
He's running a
Capture.
Thomas train.
Yeah, he made a Thomas train. Here, you want to put some of these candies on there?
Say cheese.
Hey, candy.
Okay, put them on the train.
No eating them.
Push them on.
Cheese.
Push them down.
One.
That's it. Put them. Good job.
Cheese.
I missed.
You missed. It's okay. Put it right there. That's it.
Nice.
Right there.
Trains.
Good.
I gotta take another picture of the train over it. Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, marbles.
No, they're not marbles. They're little candies for the train.
They're little candies.
Cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Hey,
Capture.
that's a. I'm sticking the right to the blue.
I think it finally took it.
I think only capture works.
I'm
I was gonna say, I don't think it took it. It's
a
got yours.
marble. Oh,
Capture.
Oh, candy canes.
It is like candy canes.
Capture.
You can eat one candy if you
finally
want.
took it.
Can I
Oh.
have one candy?
Sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Be careful,
They're-
they might be hard on your teeth.
They are. They're crunchy, but...
Okay.
Mmm. Now let
Guys
me wipe
having
your
fun?
fingers.
Yeah.
With all the different colors. Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy, huh? You have a beautiful Thomas train, and
Oh,
Ben has a
yes.
beautiful Thomas train. And I
Both
can't
making
wait to eat
beautiful
both
trains.
Thomas trains.
You're done, Elizabeth?
No, she's working.
I want another one.